Hey guys, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a special new listing for you here, almost 3,000 square feet, pool home, pond view here in South Village of Avalon Park, 14585 Cheever Street, just down the street from all the top-rated schools here in Orange County, and plenty to offer on this house, and you're gonna love the price as well. Come check it out. All right, so right when you enter, you see the fireplace. Beautiful added-on feature, gas burning, handmade here, and nice sitting area as well. And then it flows right into the formal dining room. You have the garage access here on the right, and then there's a wine bar you'll see, half bath here as well. And then we go upstairs, and then we have 4 full bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, plus an entire bonus area slash office slash movie theater overlooking the beautiful pond view in the back. So lots of action up there. You know, it's like a whole nother house up there. And then we flow right into the kitchen where we have some builder upgrades. As you can see, the granite, the newer appliances, 42-inch cabinets with the moldings on them. And again, very bright, very open. Here's the nook, which overlooks the pool and the pond. It's just amazing. It's a great, you know, quaint home here in the South Village. Then you have an expansive family area, which again, it feels very open, right? You can flow everywhere here. It's good. Nice choice of colors as well. And then we'll go to the pool deck. All right, so welcome to the pool deck. Plenty of space here. You'll see a charcoal grill that was added on afterwards, and a very expansive space here. Nice ornamental pool with the water features and overlooking the vast pond view with the nature trail behind and the community center, which is right there. Again, that's a very high-end community center. It's included in your HOA here in Avalon South Village. Tennis courts, basketball courts. You got the resort-style pool, full fitness center with sauna, exercise rooms. It's a full gym. It's amazing. So that's a part of, you know, the rest of Avalon as well. Of course, the great schools, the nature preserve. There's huge areas of just open preserve here as well. So yeah, beautiful house. Come check it out. You're gonna love the price. You're gonna love the square footage. Special buy here. This is Phil Colbridge here with Top Orlando Homes, Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. Our number is 407-725-3456.